galing na naman tayo sa book sale in SM Cebu. Yan, malayo yung ating nilakbay to buy our book sale haul. So, ito yung haul natin in Cebu City. SM Cebu. Konti lang naman kasi yan. Mapapalagalitan tayo pag nag-over baggage tayo. The Power of Your Other Hand by Lucia Capacchioni. So, yan. Marami tayong book ni Lucia eh. So, the author of the Creative Journal. Marami tayong Creative Journal. So, yan. More of journaling yung mga books ni Lucia. And, we also, this is 160. This one is Essential Energy. It's all about aromatherapy and essential oil. So, 35 pesos lang, hardbound siya. Yan. So, yan ang ating haul from Book Sale Cebu, SM Cebu. Ayan. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.